Up first this evening, a call for businesses in porous Manchester to receive a special incentive given disruptions caused by a new section of the highway. Motorists will be able to continue using the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of the highway free of cost until March 2024. Businesses in porous who usually depend on those motorists continue to see a decline in sales.
Porous was on life support, and we're asking that some form of mediation be held, some form of business incentives be given to the small business persons because they're on life support. Many have closed their doors already, many have shut up shops, and we're asking that those persons be given some form of compensation.
Councillor for the Belfield Division in the Manchester Parish Council, Mario Mitchell, is also calling on the authorities to pay special attention to the Trinity intersection where the new highway meets the old section of the road.
Lights in this side of the road. The bushing is also a concern. The bushing hasn't been done in about a year and a half, maybe 2 years. If you drive on this road now, the bush will almost basically be meeting the cars. And we're asking the NAA and the relevant authorities to ensure that it's bush. We're asking the JPS to ensure that there are lights on it, because in 3 months' time, we're going to have an increase in traffic coming from here. Single mothers, older ladies are going to be very concerned.